Namaste everyone. Welcome to second lecture of trigonometry. In this lecture, we are going to see the remaining problems of some proofs related with trigonometry. Now in last lecture, we have stopped at this problem, which is sec power 4 theta minus cos power 4 theta equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Now what I believe that this problem is not correct. Okay, why I am saying so? Because if this problem is correct, then it should satisfy for all angles of theta. Now if I take theta as 0 degree, your LHS will become sec 0 is what? 1, so it become 1 power 4, which is 1, minus cos 0 is also 1, so it is also 1 power 4 is 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0, so left hand side is 0, and RHS right hand side is 1 minus 2 into cos 0 is 1, so this is minus 1. Now left hand side is 0 and RHS is minus 1, that means there is some confusion. The problem should be redefined. Okay, this problem is not correct. So let us move to next question. Next question is sec theta plus tan theta equal to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Now here left hand side as well as right hand side both are little complicated. So I can start either from left hand side or from right hand side. Let us solve problem from right hand side. Okay, so I will take RHS. Now RHS is cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Now what I will do here, cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta, I will rationalize this denominator. So I will multiply by 1 plus sin theta and divide by 1 plus sin theta. This gives me result as cos theta into 1 plus sin theta whole divided by 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is 1 minus sin square theta. Now this is cos theta into 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin square theta is what? 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So 1 cos theta will cancel. So here I have 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. So if I split, it is 1 upon cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta. Now 1 upon cos theta is sec theta and sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. So sec theta plus tan theta. Now here left hand side is sec theta plus tan theta, which I got. So this is LHS, and hence what I will say? Hence I will say that sec theta plus tan theta equal to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. So sec theta plus tan theta, this will be equals to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. This will be equals to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Right? Okay. Let us see the next question. 6.9, ninth question. Tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta equal to 2, it is given. We have to show that tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equals to 2. So tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is 2. Also tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is 2. That we have to prove. So let us start from here. Tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equals to 2. So I will start from the given statement. Now to get tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta, what I will do? I will square on both the sides. So squaring on both sides when I square, what I will get? I will get tan theta plus 1 divided by tan theta, the whole square is equals to 2 square. Now a plus b the whole square is what? A square, that is tan square theta, plus 2ab, that is 2 into tan theta into 1 upon tan theta, plus b square, that is 1 upon tan square theta, is equals to 2 square is 4. Now this tan theta and tan theta will cancel. So I have therefore tan square theta plus 2 plus 1 upon tan square theta is equals to 4. Therefore tan square theta plus 1 divided by tan square theta is equals to 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. So tan square theta, I have tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equals to 2. Tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equals to 2. Right? Okay. Next problem. So this problem, if you want to revise, see, this is a unique type of problem. Tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is given to, and we have to show that tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equals to 2. So what we have done? We have squared the given expression, which is tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta, and after squaring, after simplification, we got tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is also 2. Now let us see the next question. Left hand side is tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta the whole square plus cot theta. So instead of theta we have angle A, cot A upon 1 plus cot square A the whole square equal to sin A cos A. So obviously we will start from left hand side. So left hand side is tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. Now 1 plus tan square A, we know the identity. 1 plus tan square A is what? It is sec square A, and here we have 1 plus cot square A. So what is 1 plus cot square A? It is cosec square A. So let us put those identities. Here we have tan A upon sec square A. So again we have square, so it will become sec power 4A, plus cot A will be cot A upon, here 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A, so it will become cosec power 4A. Now let us convert everything in terms of sin and cos. So when we convert in terms of sin and cos, this tan A will be sin A upon cos A, and this 1 upon sec power 4A will become cos power 4A, plus this cot A is cos A upon sin A, and this 1 upon this cosec power 4A will become sin power 4A. Now here 1 cos will cancel, so here I have sin A into cos cube A, plus here 1 sin will cancel, and here I have cos A into sin cube A. Now sin A I can take common, as sin A is present in both the terms, and cos A also I can take common. So let us take sin A into cos A common. So after taking sin A cos A common, here I have cos square A, plus here I have sin square A. Now cos square A plus sin square A is what? Cos square A plus sin square A is 1. So my final answer is sin A into cos A. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove this is sin A into cos A. We have proved. This is our right hand side. This is our RHS. Okay. So when we are looking problem, we feel that it is very complex, but as you start solving, as you start converting them step by step in sine cos, the problem becomes simple. Okay, so never afraid of these kind of problems. Just start the problem, apply whatever identities or formula you know, and keep in your mind that what you have to prove, and ultimately you will come to your result. Okay, now let us see the next question. Sec power 4a into 1 minus sine power 4a minus 2 tan square a is equals to 1. Okay, so let us start with left hand side only. Left hand side is sec power 4a into 1 minus sine power 4a minus 2 tan square a. This is our left hand side. Now this sec power 4a I can write as 1 upon cos power 4a. So let us write this as 1 upon cos power 4a. This 1 minus sine power 4a, I will use the formula of a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b. So I will write this as 1 plus sine square a in one bracket and 1 minus sine square in other bracket. Then I have minus 2 tan square a. Now 1 upon cos power 4a, I write it as it is. This 1 minus sine square is cos square a. So here it is 1 plus sine square, it will remain as it is, and this 1 minus sine square a will become cos square a minus 2 tan square a. Now this cos square a and this cos power 4a I will cancel. So I get 1 upon cos square a. Here I get 1 plus sine square a minus, here we have 2 tan square a. Now here I can write this as 1 upon cos square a plus sine square a upon cos square a minus, here it is 2 times tan square a. 1 upon cos square a is sec square a. Sin square upon cos square is tan square a minus this is 2 tan square a. So finally tan square a minus 2 tan square a will give me minus tan square a. Now sec square a minus tan square a is what? Sec a square a minus tan square a is 1, which is our right hand side. Yes. So hence I will say that, what we can say that? We can say that sec power 4a into 1 minus sine power 4a, I am writing right, sec power 4a into 1 minus sine power 4a minus 2 tan square a is equals to 1. We have proved this. Now let us move to the next problem. Problem is tan theta upon sec theta minus 1 equal to tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Now I will leave this problem to you all to solve. Let us try whether you can solve this problem or not. If you will not get the answer, I will tell the solution in our next lecture. Thank you.